Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Tuesday, the 1st of April. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. Last week, we spoke about the yen, which is attractive for diversification purposes. It has historically performed well when global investors were seeking safety during periods of U.S. unexceptionalism. From the latest macro setup, we believe there's more upside for the yen against the U.S. dollar. Well, from the U.S., the February U.S. PCE data adds to the concerns about stagflation. Core PCE inflation rose to 2.8% year-on-year, matching the Fed's 2025 projection. Consumer spending disappointed despite expectations for a rebound after January's weather disruptions. And from Japan, inflation pulse remains firm, reinforcing our long yen stance. So for example, the Tokyo CPI for March surprised to the upside, with headline inflation slightly up at 2.9% year-on-year and core accelerating above the BOJ's target to 2.2%. From 1.9%. As an advanced signal for national CPI, the data points to persistent price pressures and further policy tightening. Now, BOJ Governor Ueda has flagged higher hiking odds if inflation broadens, particularly if food-driven price gains spill into core goods and services. And this is exactly what we saw in the latest Tokyo CPI excluding fresh food. So Japan remains an outliner amongst developed markets when its inflation is accelerating, not slowing, and wage growth is firm amid a tight labor market, and price pressure remains goods-driven due to yen weakness, not services-led, as per other developed markets. So technically, there has been mild rebound in dollar-yen, but it failed to break above the key resistance at 151.31. Technical indicators such as MACD is still in the bearish territory despite the rebound. So therefore, investors should be selling dollar-yen on rebound, i.e. buying yen against the dollar on dips at the current level. We believe dollar-yen may test the support at 146.52 and eventually at 142. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoyed this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.